What's good, my brother?
Man, I'm stopping right here. I'm about to go meet this little chick, so I'm about to take this chainsaw mint.
Man, what's that?
Chainsaw mint is like, I take this before I go meet the little chick, like 30 minutes before. And it's guaranteed to be a success. So if you want to be like Jason Love, you get the chainsaw mint. Yes, get it popping, baby.
Bro?
Yeah.
Shit, chainsaw mints.
And it's just like a mint. The flavor is ridiculously good. You just chew it, no problems, no nothing, and then you go do what you gotta do.
Bro?
Guaranteed to win.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Oh yeah. Get it popping. Ball refill.